the 5-number summary and box and whisker plots. Give the 5-number summary for the distribution and draw a box and whisker plot. First, we're going to find the 5-number summary. The 5-number summary consists of 5 different values. These values are the minimum, quartile 1, which is Q sub 1, the median, quartile 3, which is Q sub 3, and the maximum. In order to find these values, my first step is to list all of the values in the distribution from smallest to largest. Here I've listed all of the values in the distribution from smallest to largest. My first step is to find the minimum. The minimum is just the smallest value. So the minimum value is 11. Now I'm going to find the maximum. The maximum is just the largest value. That's 52. Next, I'm going to find the median. Finding the median will help me then locate quartile 1 and quartile 3. I have 15 values in the set. Since I have an odd number of values, the median is just the middle number. So I'm just going to cross off from right to left until I hit the middle number. And again, I should have the same number of values crossed off on both sides of the middle value. So my middle value is 33. That's the median. And again, I crossed off 7 values on the left and 7 values on the right. These should be equal. Since they are equal, I know I probably have the median correct. So the median is 33. Now I'm going to find quartile 1. Now I put a red box around the median in my data set. This median separates the data set into 2 halves. I have the lower half and the upper half. Now quartile 1, or Q sub 1, is the median of the lower half. And the third quartile, or Q sub 3, is the median of the upper half. So first we're going to find the median of the lower half. So again, we're just looking at this part of the data. And I'm going to cancel from the right and left until I find the middle value. And the middle value is 21. So Q sub 1, or quartile 1, is 21. Now I'm going to find quartile 3, or Q sub 3. So I'll look at the upper half of data, and I'm just going to cancel on the right and left to find the median. And the median of the upper half of data is 44. So Q sub 3 is 44. Now I've completed the 5-number summary. I found all of the numbers within the 5-number summary. My minimum is 11. Quartile 1 is 21. The median is 33. Quartile 3 is 44. And the maximum is 52. Now I'm going to draw a box and whisker plot. And the box and whisker plot is just a way to represent the 5-number summary. To draw the box and whisker plot, first draw a horizontal line. On the left end of the horizontal line, we're going to write the minimum, which is 11. On the right end of the horizontal line, we're going to write the maximum. Next, I'm going to draw vertical lines for quartile 1, the median, and quartile 3. And we'll just label those lines. So this can be quartile 1, and that's 21. And then we have the median at 33, and quartile 3, or Q sub 3, at 44. Now that we've labeled our number line with each of the values of the 5-number summary, to complete the box and whisker plot, we're just going to draw a rectangle. And we draw the rectangle around quartile 1 and quartile 3. So the median is in the middle of the rectangle. And that completes your box and whisker plot.